Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is EJ. You can call me EJ for short. You're highly welcome. If today is your first time tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe, the red subscription button. Give this video a thumbs up. You can share to your friends and family. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I put up a new video, you get notifications. Yes, and to you, my returning subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you very much. And today, so I know you'll be wondering what I have here. Don't worry about that. In December, we ordered some African food stuff from Africa, Nigeria, over here. And in that package, I received some gifts from my sister Chisom. She gave me these wigs. And when I did the unboxing, a lot of people in the comment section were like, oh, I should do a try-on haul so that they can see how these wigs look on me. I'm responding to your request. You see, you are my top priority. Whatever you request, I will try my best to bring it to you. Tell me which of these wigs is your favorite, which one fits me the most, which one do you love the most, right? So let's get started. The first wig I'll be trying out is this one, golden color short wig, right? So I'll put it on and we'll look at it together. Look at that. Oh wow. Okay. So this is it. This is the first one we'll try out today. Tell me in the comment section, how do you like this? Let's go back to the second wig. Yeah, so this is the second wig I received from my sister. Can you see that, guys? I love this wig so much. I love the design, the style it has here. Can you see that? I know I didn't get everything I should here, but guys, this is so simple, it's so beautiful. Like, I love the color. It's not all over my face, right? Simple and mature. So I'm going to take this off. Hey guys, the next wig from my beautiful sister is this braided wig. Guys, I love braided wigs, though not long hair, right? But I love braids. I love braids. Since I came here to Canada, I've not been making my hair because the time and the cost of making braids here is expensive. I can't believe it. So I stopped. I had to resort to wigs right now because it's too much. But look at this wig, guys. Look at that. This is top notch, guys. This is beautiful. For people like me that don't always love our hair all over our faces, I prefer braided hair or braided wigs, but not long or the one all over my face, right? So I think packing it this way works best for me, right? Last but not the least of the wigs I received from my sister is this. Guys, look at this. This is beautiful as well. Short, my favorite. Yeah. And the color is beautiful, unique texture, different style. Let me turn around. Can you see that? This kind of bob style, bob, right? This brings us to the end of this week's try-on. Yes, I really appreciate you all for watching up to this moment, up to this point. You guys are the best. If you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up. Turn on your notification bell so whenever I put up a new video, you get notification. You can share to your friends and family if you love this, right? And I want to use this medium to say a very big thank you to my sister for gifting me these wigs. Thank you very much, Shisom. Yes, leave a word of prayer, a word of love for her in the comment section. Thank her for me. Yes, this has saved me a lot. Like, this will save me even more. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Until I see you guys on my next video, bye for now. Thank you for watching.